Hello students, today we will read the chapter 15 of class 4 EVS, that is from market to home. As you can see the picture of a vegetable seller. So in this chapter we will talk regarding life of a vegetable seller and his family. Now it is a girl named Vaishali like you, and she is talking about her family. In her family there is her appa, amma, bhaiya and her little brother named Chotu. And she is talking that her father is a vegetable seller and they wake up early in the morning, that is 3 a.m. And what do you do at that time? Yes, generally we all sleep at that time. So vegetable seller's family wake up early in the morning and start their works. First of all, they take out the previous day vegetables from gunny bags and do sorting of the spoiled vegetables. After finishing their work, they take a tea. Now, whole family work together with her father in this work. After some time, at tempo come and her father and bhaiya with her uncle and other people from nearby houses go together to a big market to buy vegetables. And during that time, Vaishali with her mother and Chotu do put the vegetables on the gunny bags and sprinkle water on that vegetables. Now tell me, why they sprinkle water on the vegetables? Yes, to keep them fresh and to prevent them from spoilage and to avoid them to dry the vegetables. So the vegetables, as you can see in the vegetable market, vegetable sellers continuously sprinkle water on the vegetables to keep them safe and to avoid them drying. And in this way they keep vegetable fresh. Now at 6:30 a.m. her father and bhaiya return to the market. Now sorting of vegetables is done. They keep the left vegetables of previous day and ripened vegetables at one side and unripened vegetables on the separate side, because first they will sell the ripened vegetables and the left out vegetables, because if they will not able to sell them, then they will get spoiled. So first they will try to sell the left vegetables or ripened vegetables, then they will take out the unripened vegetables from the gunny bags. So her father at 7 a.m. goes to market, because if he will not reach the market at the time, then his regular customer will purchase the vegetables from other carts. So you can see her father by carrying her his vegetable cart and going to the market. At that time, Vaishali gets ready to the school and her little brother Chotu takes the food for her father and bhaiya. And in this way, Chotu also help his family in the regular work of his family. And after the school, Chotu also sits with his father and bhaiya to see that procedure of selling the vegetables. So like Chotu, you should also help your parents in their household works after and before the school. So here you can see some common vegetables that are used at our homes, that is onion, potato, tomato and carrot, cucumber, okra, bhindi, ladyfinger is the same thing. Pumpkin, maize, capsicum, cabbage, brinjal. So these are the common vegetables used at our home. And some vegetables are very heavy like pumpkin, cabbage, maize. These are heavy vegetables. But some vegetables are very light like capsicum, like peas. These are light in weight. And you can see when we cut the potato, can you see the seeds in potato? No, there are no seeds in potato. So like potatoes, there are other vegetables like onion, cabbage, spinach, carrot, turnip. There are no seeds are present in these vegetables. While on the other hand, some vegetables like tomato and ladyfinger, we can the chilies, capsicum, we can seeds in these vegetables. So you have to notice the vegetables that are generally cooked at your home every day, and you have to look into the characters of that vegetables, that is they are light or heavy, they are having seeds or no seeds. So you have to notice the vegetables that are cooked at your home. And we can also see that some vegetables like garlic, onion, potato are kept for long times at our homes. So these are the vegetables that do not spoil quickly. So we can carry these vegetables for some times. On the other hand, the soft vegetables like tomato, the leafy vegetables like spinach and the beans, they are spoiled quickly. So we have to bring them fresh and we have to cook them fresh, or we also keep them in refrigerator to avoid them from spoilage. Now you can see some vegetables are very smooth in touch like capsicum, tomato, cucumber, brinjal. When we touch them, then they are very smooth and shiny in look also. On the other hand, some vegetables like bitter gourd and cauliflowers, these cabbage, these all vegetables are very rough in touch. So as you can see, a vegetable seller's family start their work early in the morning, and the whole family work together, and after a long day working, they reach home at 10:30 or 11 p.m. in the night, and next day 3 in the morning their work again started. So a vegetable seller works hard for a long whole day, so we should respect them. Thank you and have a nice day.